Okay, this 31 great circles this project's called, and what it is you get a sphere, and there's a way of putting 31 great circles on it, and you end up with all kinds of cool patterns in it. You end up with, like, you've got six-sided stars, pentagrams, pentagons, bigger pentagons, even bigger pentagons inside pentagrams, and this, at this point, this is my third attempt. Accuracy is just, this sphere was accurate to 2/100th of a millimetre, and I guess that then just in inaccuracies in marking it out, pine is horrible because little bits like that, there's a bit of hard grain, and the needle of the pricker out probably just felled one side of it or the other when it wanted to be right in the middle. I'm going to try this with a different wood. It's got to be a soft, not a soft wood, but a consistent grained light wood for this to work. Another way to do it is the pink on this is a spherical truncated icosahedron, if you like, or an icosydodecahedron, that's the other word for it. So those centres of these points on these 5 points here are your dodecahedron. Where was I going with that thought? I don't know. Right, I've marked on. Yeah, that's where I was going. The first 6 lines are from your dodecahedron point great circles, using 6 of your, in one hemisphere, your dodecahedron points as the centres. You draw on your 6 lines and you end up marking out a truncated icosahedron. Then you find the centres of the stellations of that, and you use those, and there's 11 of them. Is there 5? No, 10 of them, 5 and 5 around the equator. So you're only working in one hemisphere, because the great circles would meet the opposite points on the other hemisphere. Use the centres of those to draw on, in this case, your green great circles, and that defines a pentagram and a pentagon inside the dodecahedron part of that shape. But you can see on the other side it's already way off in accuracy. I mean, these coming right out, they should meet at those points. On this side it almost does, that side it's way off, that side it meets, that's way off, that's way off. So you can see how the inaccuracies, I knew they would mount up, but surprisingly fast. Another way to approach this, if I try this again, I'm going to give it one more try at marking it out like this, and if that doesn't work, I can make the 12 gauze the same as I did with the Islamic design, and I can apply the design, or rosette if you like, to the gauze, and then tile the sphere with the gauze and hope that it looks that everything should line up. So it would definitely be better than this. I'm keeping this though. I'm going to try and paint it and just keep it as a reminder. So this is after 6 and 10, 16. The other 15 are these triangles of the icosahedron. They trisect it, so you'll get one coming in from each direction. Yeah, so those are your other however many, 3 5s. Yeah, 3, and there's 5, because it goes round yeah, you only need to do it once because it will automatically do the ones in the other on the same, if you see what I mean. So that's the other 15 that I need to do. That's the 31. So at least now I understand the problem, because it took me ages just to work out where your centres are, you know, to do this thing from. Okay, thanks for watching.